Making of a scientist. This is the story of Richard H. Ebright, a boy who grew into a great scientist. His first big achievement came at the age of 22. He and his college roommate published a new theory about how cells work. It was rare because important journals never published work by college students. But Ebright's journey began much earlier. He grew up in Pennsylvania as an only child. He had no playmates, so he collected things for fun. He collected butterflies, rocks, fossils, and coins. He also loved the stars and often watched the night sky. His mother supported all his interests. She took him on trips and bought him science tools. She encouraged him to learn every day at the dining table. Ebright loved to learn and always scored top grades. By second grade, he had collected all 25 local butterfly species. His mother then gifted him a book, The Travels of Monarchs. This book changed his life completely. It explained how monarch butterflies migrate to Central America. At the end of the book, readers were invited to tag butterflies for research. Ebright joined the project and began tagging monarchs. Soon he started raising monarch butterflies in his basement. He watched their life cycle from egg to adult butterfly. He tagged thousands of butterflies, though only 2 were ever found later. But the experience taught him patience and curiosity. In 7th grade, he entered a science fair and lost. He learned an important lesson. Real science means doing experiments. The next year, he planned a real experiment about caterpillar disease. He tested the idea that beetles might spread the disease. He had no results, but he still won because he tried a real experiment. In 8th grade, he studied monarchs and viceroys' butterflies. He wanted to know why viceroys copy monarchs. He tested whether birds preferred to eat monarchs or not. His projects won top awards at the fair. In high school, his research became even more advanced. He studied the gold spots on a monarch pupa. Everybody thought the spots were only decorative. Ebright discovered they produced a hormone needed for development. This project won him international recognition. Later, he grew wing cells in the lab and proved they needed the hormone to develop. This won him even bigger science awards. At Harvard University, he continued his research. While studying X-ray photos, he got an idea for a new theory of cell life. This theory explained how DNA gives instructions to cells. It became an important scientific contribution. Ebright was not only a scientist, he was only a champion debater and public speaker. He enjoyed canoeing and taking nature photographs. His teacher, Mr. Viherer, inspired him to think deeply. Ebright always tried to do his best for the right reasons. His curiosity, hard work, and will to learn shaped his success. This is how a curious boy became a brilliant scientist.